Hello kids, today I am going to tell you the story of T sound. Hope you will enjoy. It is a sunny morning. Tom and Tanya decide to watch an important tennis match. When they both reach at the playground, there was a big crowd waiting for the match to begin. When the players come onto the ground, the crowd clap for the players. Then the match began and the two tennis players hit the ball to each other saying t t t t. The people in the crowd turned their heads from side to side watching the tennis ball. Now Tom and Tanya are outside pretended hit the tennis ball to each other, turn their heads from side to side are saying